In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw Solana from your Phantom wallet to your Trust wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer your funds between these two wallets. Start by locating and opening your Trust wallet application on your device. Make sure you are on the main screen where you can see your wallet balance and various cryptocurrencies. Next, tap on the Solana option displayed among your cryptocurrency assets. This will direct you to the Solana wallet interface where you can manage your Solana funds. After that, look for and tap the Receive button, which is typically located near the top of the screen. This action will generate a screen displaying your Solana wallet address. Now, you need to copy your Solana wallet address. This address is a long string of characters, and you can use the copy button that appears on the screen. Ensure you have this address ready for the next steps. Once you have copied the address, open your Phantom wallet application. This will take you to the main interface of your Phantom wallet where you can view your assets. Next, click on the Solana option within your Phantom wallet. This will bring you to the Solana management page, showing your available balance and transaction options. After that, click on the Send button, which is usually prominent on the screen. This will open a new interface for sending Solana to another wallet. Now, paste the Trust Wallet Solana address that you copied earlier into the designated address field. Make sure there are no extra spaces or characters added during this process. Then enter the amount of Solana you wish to withdraw. Ensure that the amount does not exceed your available balance, as this will prevent any errors during the transaction. Finally, click on the Send button to initiate the transfer. You may be prompted to confirm the transaction. Review the details carefully and confirm to complete the withdrawal process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.